Hello traders. In this video, we are comparing systematic trading and discretionary trading. These are two core approaches to trading the markets, each with its own philosophy, strengths, weaknesses, and ideal user profile. Let's get right into it. Systematic trading is a rules-based approach where buy, sell, and risk decisions are driven by predefined algorithms or models built from technical indicators, price patterns, or quantitative rules. Trades are usually executed automatically by computers, so what you see on the chart is a system following fixed entry, exits, and position sizing logic with little or no human override. Discretionary trading, by contrast, relies on the trader's own judgments, experience, and interpretation of market conditions. You will see the trader choosing entries and exits manually based on a mix of charts, news, and personal read of sentiments. In short, systematic trading implies consistency and automation, while discretionary trading implies flexibility and human interpretation. All right. So, what are the core concepts and components? Systematic trading is characterized by algorithm driven rules, heavy use of historical data in backtesting, automation, and objective decision making. Its advantages include consistency, emotion free execution, speed, and the ability to test and optimize strategies before going live. But it also brings challenges like model complexity, overfitting, and limited flexibility in unusual conditions. Discretionary trading is built around human judgment, flexibility, market interpretation, and subjectivity, with decisions informed by a trader's technical, fundamental, and psychological read of the market. Its advantages include adaptability and the ability to respond to new information that models might miss, but it also suffers from emotional biases, inconsistent results, and high time demands. So, who's each style for, and what are their limitations? Systematic trading tends to suit traders with a quantitative mindset who value rules, data, automation, and discipline, especially those who want scalable strategies and struggle with emotional decision making. Discretionary trading tends to suit traders who enjoy interpreting markets in real time, reacting to news and sentiments, and leveraging their experience and intuition, providing they can manage emotions under pressure. Many professionals blend both, using systematic models for structure and statistics while retaining discretionary oversight for context and exceptional situations. The Learn More link is in the description below. You can read the full systematic trading versus discretionary trading article, including detailed comparisons, pros and cons, and guidance on choosing or combining approaches at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational contents.